of your GitHub for me, so I can send the invite letter, invitation letter to you. So after sending a letter to you, then you can check the email. Let me see. So you can type your name in the chat. Hi, Q1. Do you remember how to send the invitation letter? So I forget the way to find the setting.
I think when you go to the project,
Yeah.
it scroll down.
Yeah.
There is a link. Let me.
Yeah, I just click in the project. Maybe I try to how to share my screen. Okay, share my screen first. Share. So
okay.
So and then so do you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
So so Q1 is where can I find the setting?
Yeah, I'm looking for it. If you scroll down,
Yes, scroll
is this
down.
anything on the bottom? No, just click on the
Privacy. Security?
Yeah.
Oh, security.
Click on the repository, I think.
Oh, sorry. So, response tree. Yeah, I already at the response tree. So
Yeah. Scroll down.
scroll
I
down.
think it was somewhere there. Let me Google it.
Yeah, maybe I send the invocation letter to you later, right? So we have to continue. Just talk another thing, and so so you can send.
It's in the settings.
Pardon?
Where is the
Where do you find the setting?
manage access? Manage access.
Oh yeah, manage access. Yeah. So let me share the
Is there a
screen.
manage access there?
Yeah.
Right.
Do you see? So I in here. So
Yeah.
Guanqi, will you let me know your username so I can add your name in this project.
Okay. I type on the chat.
Okay.
You see it?
Sorry. Maybe I have to stop the share. Okay. Let me try. No result. Yeah, I can't find the result. I don't know why. Let me know. I just share to my screen again. Right? No result. Can't find it.
Oh, okay.
Maybe just check the spell and the casing, like lowercase, uppercase. Is it like this?
Small letter.
Leo, can you see it? Yeah, just see if it's
Still no result?
No. Have, let me see. So no result.
that's your GitHub ID, yeah?
Yeah,
Your
can
GitHub.
yeah. Can you maybe you can try to share the GitHub ID. you log in your GitHub?
Yeah.
So, and then would you mind to share your screen? So you can share your screen so we can have a look.
Oh, I can't share my screen.
Oh, you can't share. So I share my screen to you. I teach you how to find this. So this is my GitHub account, right?
Yeah.
And then this one, this is username. So once you log in, you should have you just need to give this one for me.
Oh.
I can see him. I tried because I can't invite him on that same project because
Okay.
I'm not the one inviting, but I can search him
Yeah.
with that
Let me try
ID
that.
he's given, Leo777li. I can find that.
Why I can't find him?
Why?
It's pretty rare.
Oh, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, yeah. Do you see? Yeah, actually, it's correct. LEO 777 777 LI. No result.
Can you click on the invite a collaborator first?
This one?
Click on that, and now it's typing here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's my phone. sorry.
It's okay.
So so you can check your
Yeah.
email now.
What? I mean,
Okay. Is it okay?
yeah.
Let me see. Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. So and then let me see. It's not here. So so even though you even though you success to be one member of this project, but but the code still exists on the GitHub. So to be able to work on the project, you will need to clone it to your computer. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so maybe you guys have experience using the GitHub desktop. So this project is a basic. So so you just directly go to my pages. I share my project page. Let me see. project page. Okay, type in the chat. This is my project page. So, and then you if you guys have downloaded the GitHub desktop, you just paste the link and then clone the project into your local to make your local repository, and then you can start to write your code. You can try a little bit and maybe just add 1 or 2 files and then try to commit. First of all, you have to pull and then push, right? So you add some pull the project to make sure that everything is updated. So, and then you can add maybe readme file, maybe 1 or 2, and then try to submit into the repository. You can submit to your repository first, and then submit to the remote repository. That is my repository. Yeah, that's it. I think it's okay. So just make sure that this thing, this step is okay. Then we can go further step.
Yeah, we can cut a branch first and then start using.
Yeah, we can create branch. Let me see. As you can see in my project, if you open my project pages, they have log on branch. So for example, the CSS and something is formally. So actually, after I brief look this project is mainly written in the Python, but still have HTML, COBOL, and other kinds of language. So and I suggest we have to do some easy thing first. For example, I found this project have some issue because this project is highlight the code, but when I try to type the JavaScript, the color is gray, same to be other code, so have no train, no contrast, no color contrast. So so we try to train the JavaScript to maybe to the red color. Yeah, train this first, and then another thing, we have to talk to the project owner, because even though we update our project, we have to let the project owner know, and then we pull the request in the community. So we talk to them, and then if they think that if they okay our updated, we successful to contribute this project. That's all. Don't do too many things because we just have 2 week nap, right? And then yeah, that's it. So today we have to do is download the project and then try to run the project. So something I want to let you know that this project requires the Python 3.9. So, and if you're using the Windows or Windows 10, you make sure that you have to set the environment variable, because after you install the Python, you have to set the environment variable, and then try to test the version. And they have some command. Let me see this one. Yeah, type it in here. So you can use this command. So it's pip install pipment, and then after this is just install the library. So this is a published version. So if you download the code and you want to try your code, you have to install this one. Use the Python setup.py install. This is using your code to install to your system. And then they have a command. Let me see. Let me try. So how to use this code? Go to the demo. It's not here. Where the command? Yeah, this command is so this is command line for you to execute this project. Yeah. I find some style has bad contrast, and the pigment, so that I'm not sure, because they are all a professional. There's so many contributor in there. They are professional. They maybe follow the guideline from the W3C. So W3C is this one. See, right? They have the contrast standards. This is contrast standards, and then I think they follow these standards. Yeah. So if we want to change the color, if we want to convince them to use our design, we have to provide more professional opinion to them. Hi, Q1. Are you here? So because we only 3 guys, so now I think is that it's just time you register our team member in the project.
Okay.
Let me share the screen to you. So do you see?
Yeah.
So is that why? So please check carefully, and then I submit now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Submit. So we maybe have to send an email to the lecturer to ask them a favors. How just want ask him to arrange 2 more guys to our.
Yeah.
So so who want to send an email, or I send an email to the lecturer?
I can send the email, that's fine.
Okay. So if the lecturer replies you, just let me know.
Yeah.
So did you guys have any idea want to say in this time?
I think we just need to first figure out what we want to do in here. We just need to go through the project, I think, this week. See, yeah.
I think we need
adding
to
one, like
go
we
through the
were
project.
discussing
We need
one.
to successful to set up the project, right?
Yeah.
Successful to run this project. This project actually just highlight the code, right? Maybe the HTML is using the blue colors, and JavaScript we use the red colors, something else, and then CSS. So there has many of area can make more advanced. So because we have to find some point we can convince the project owner to accept our changes. Yeah, that is most important.
Yeah.
And then maybe ask the lecturer because just 2 weeks maybe it's not enough. Maybe even though we send a message to the project owner, maybe the project owner is so busy in this certain period, so they haven't reply will not reply our message. So what should we do? So I think we have already because the aim of this project is how to use the GitHub to make a contribute, right? So if the project owner haven't replied our request, or they haven't they didn't agree our changes, we can maybe just directly clone their project, or maybe fork their project, and then just build our remote repository and then just upload our changes. So do you what I mean? So I'm not sure whether lecturer is allow me to do that.
If in 2 weeks we just need to make a proposal and a
Yeah.
presentation to the lecturer.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
in the presentations, do we need to let the teacher know that we successful to contribute? Oh, what's it mean?
Come remaining.
Okay. Yeah. So okay. Just time 10 minutes. So do we need to let the lecturer know that we successful to contribute this project? Or just let the lecturer know we just add some feature on it. That is nothing to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Went to
Yeah, we'll
because
just
the lecture.
let's just everyone look at the things that we can contribute, and we can just share, like
Okay.
whatever we think. Like
Okay.
we'll just go through the project, and one is the formatting, adding the formatting. Yeah. And
Yeah.
if we find like a small bug to fix, that could be one thing that we can do, like
Okay.
while running the project.
Yeah.
The first thing would be just to set it up, and then we can just run it and see if there is a small bug or whatever, then we can just fix that. Or if we find something other change we want to do, then we can just propose. Let's do it by end of tomorrow, but when you want to do, like day after,
So if you
just decide on what changes we want to do.
yeah. Yes.
contribution we want to do this
Yeah.
project.
So because it's there's a lot of things that have CSS, they have HTML, also have a Python. If you want to add a wrapper for Java, it's also, I think it's also okay, right? Because Java can as far as I know, Java can create a ActiveX. So yeah, then when during the web page we first reload it, we can load the Java ActiveX, and then maybe do some function.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And we were thinking of contributing to the styles.
style is one thing. Is one thing. Is one
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's one of
we
the
are not
things.
sure. I just my suggestion. Maybe after this day, maybe tomorrow, you guys have some ideas come out. You maybe much more easy. So because I want to start at start with some easy target.
Yeah.
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 So
If we find, like, if we have time, then we can then add
yeah,
more things.
you're right.
But then
Indeed.
first we start with very small thing, just one thing that we can change or contribute.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah.
Yeah.
So so okay. So today I think is enough. So just now we try to download the project and then set up to your system, and then try to
Yeah.
run it to have a look, and then tomorrow. So which time do you guys available to have a meeting again?
No, I won't be available in the afternoon tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this same to today? Is the same the period? Maybe after the 4:30 p.m.
No, no. Tomorrow I am available in the morning,
Okay.
but day after I am okay. Like day after tomorrow.
Okay. How about you?
Yeah. Tomorrow I am available until 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock or
Yeah,
tomorrow?
in the morning. Yeah, day
So
after I am okay in the afternoon.
so
After
if
4.
the morning is 11 o'clock, in Chinatown is 8:30.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
I think
pretty
that will be very
pretty
early.
early. Yeah, pretty early. So I'm not sure. So maybe how what do you think, Guanqi?
Tomorrow 8:30.
Yeah, the around in
Okay.
China is around 8:30 because yeah, yeah.
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Okay.
So let me see. Tomorrow we maybe have a lecture. I have to check my schedule. Oh, okay, it's fine. So okay, see you guys tomorrow, 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.